How are the ships, Sergeant? They're all well. Well, I bet nothing bad's going to happen. I agree. Nothing bad is ever going to happen. Oh my goodness! What's that sound? It's a plane. Oh my goodness, we're being attacked. And these planes are not ours. They must come from a different country. Oh my goodness, there's a green plane with red, some of them are green planes with red circles, and some are white planes with red circles. It must be Japan. We have to alert the president about this. Yes, they're attacking Pearl Harbor already. We have to tell the president about this. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Yesterday, December 7th, 1941. A date which will live in infamy. The United States of America is suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. The attack yesterday on the Hawaiian Islands has caused severe damage to American naval and military forces. I regret to tell you that very many American lives have been lost. In addition, American ships have been reported torpedoed on the high seas between San Francisco and Honolulu. As Commander-in-Chief of the Army and Navy, I have directed that all measures be taken for our defense. But always will our whole nation remember the character of the onslaught against us. No matter how long it may take us to overcome this premeditated invasion, the American people in their righteous might will win through to absolute victory. I believe that I interpret the will of the Congress and of the people when I assert that we will not only defend ourselves to the uttermost, but will make it very certain that this form of treachery shall never again endanger us. Hostilities exist. There's no blinking at the fact that our people, our territory, and our interests are in grave danger. With confidence in our armed forces, with the unbounding determination of our people, we will gain the inevitable triumph. So help us God. I asked that the Congress declare that since the unprovoked and dastardly attack by Japan on Sunday, December 7th, 1941, A state of war has existed between the United States and the Japanese Empire. That was a message from the President. We may now return you to the emergency alert system. Since the Japanese Empire has attacked the United States at Pearl Harbor, Congress has declared war on the Japanese Empire. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume.